good stuff. All right, today what we're going to do is that I had purchased a camping kitchen. All right, so this is my first time setting it up, and also in use with the 22-inch griddle. All right, I'm going to set it up, and we're going to cook something on the kitchen set, and we'll see how it works out. All right, so I shall return. All right, this is the bag that it does come in. It all folds down into this bag. It has a little weight to it, but it's not that heavy. All right, so let's get to unpacking, okay? So we got a compartment here. What's in here? All right. Oh, I know what this is. This is the windshield. This is the windshield. All right. That's the windshield. And it looks like these are the shelves. Okay. So let's get to the table itself now. This is all foldable. It all folds up into one package. Oh, here's another great thing here. Put that to the side. All right, what do we have here? We'll find out what these are. So let's get the table out. All right. Here's the table right here. Move the bag. This is the table. All right, so let me get it on the floor and let's get the building. All right, let's get this thing starting to be put together here. All right. First things first, we sit it down. All right. Looks like this comes up here. Now we got some legs here. Oh, very nice. Locks in. And we have leveling feet here. These things work. Oh, there we go. There we go. Lock it in. Lock it in. All right, now we got the other part here. All right, and, oh, it's like a recording. Okay, we got that there. All right. Same thing as lockable leg. Legs go in. All right. Now for this part. It looks like this part goes right here. All right. All right, looking good so far. Head it backwards. There's a pin right here. There's a pin here. Just gotta get it in there. There we go. Voila. All said and done. All right. Lock. Now, let's see what else here. What else do we have here? I think this shelf. Does it go here? Oh, there we go. It slips into these lips here. There we go. Voila! That's pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. All right, now what else do we have? All right. Oop. Look like I'm missing a foot somewhere. I don't know where, but I have to find it. But we'll find it later, because I know I'm looking right at it. Well, anyway, we'll keep this close. Now, what do we have here? Oh, I know what these are now. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. These are like cabinets. There's a little hook. A little hook. The hook over here, right? Yeah, there it goes. A little hook. And one in the back. And one in the back. There's that hook. Oh, there it goes. Then it has Velcro. And it Velcros onto. There we go. Got Velcro over here. There. Is there any Velcro on the front? Yes, it does have Velcro on the front. Velcro on the front. All right. So. All right. So, what else? Something else goes in here. Uh-huh. And these, I guess, are the shelves. Insert. And insert. And it also has, if you want to close it up, has a mesh screen and zips all the way around. All right, I'm going to finish up the other one. And as soon as I finish, I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the grill on top. All right, so I am going to have to disconnect the gas. All right, that's disconnected, and here we go. All right. Ah, plenty of space. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like this. Like I said, this is a portable camping kitchen. All right. We will be using this. We're going camping. We definitely will be using it. But let me also try if I can install the cooktop. The screen protector. The wind protector. Let's see how that's going to work out. Because I have a grease trap back here. All right. We'll see how it's going to work out. It's just as simple as just hooking it in and pushing back. Now I can actually push it back a little bit. Go. There we go. Very nice. Oh, works out lovely. All right. This is the portable. Uh-oh, that's not going to work. Maybe I have to make a little adjustments here. See? Okay. There we go. There we go. And voila, she works perfect. I like this thing here. And you got your stuff here. Stuff here. Alright, you got your shelves in here, remember? Unzip it. I can put my all my utensils in here. What else can I put in there? I can put my water. Put my waters in. Oh, this thing is great. Alright, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Thank you for watching Cooking with Chef Puff. We always bring you the good stuff. I will be going on camping, and we're going to use it in the field and see actually how it really works. Alright, so once again, y'all guys have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.